To me, a Mennonite means that, like, you go around telling people about Jesus.
Be a Mennonite, you have to believe in God and worship certain things and follow God's lead. You follow God's commandments no matter what it means, and make sure that you know that you're following Him. And you may make mistakes being a Mennonite, but even though, God still loves you. And He has the mercy for everyone. If you have faith in Him, He'll have faith in you to follow Him.
What do these stones mean? I want to know for sure. Yes. What do these stones mean? Please tell me what they're for. What do these stones mean? I want to know for sure. These stones are to remind us of all that faith can do. So take that bucket off your head and see how God shines through. Clap another hand, clap a hand next to ya. Clap another hand and sing along. Clap another hand, clap a hand next to ya. Clap another hand and sing. Sing la 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 hallelujah. La 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 hallelujah. La 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 hallelujah. La 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 hallelujah. So tweak another beak. Tweak a beak next to ya, tweak another beak and sing along. Tweak another beak, tweak a beak next to ya, tweak another beak and sing. Sing a la 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 hallelujah, la 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 hallelujah, la 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 hallelujah, la 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 hallelujah. Hug another friend now.